Sandy from Hockley has roofing advice questions.
She's confused about re-roofing, Tom. That's her challenge here. Sandy writes, before passing away 5 years ago, my husband talked about getting a new roof. Obviously, they didn't get it done. It's a 30-year shingle on a 20-year-old custom home where she's living. I have no leaks, but a contractor suggested getting one this spring. The insurance company agreed. My attorney says no way and to contact you. So, Tom, Sandy says they want to. She's just wondering, do they want to pull one over on her, or does she really need a roof? How can she know?
The roof should last more than 20 years.
Okay.
That's just the bottom line. I'm impressed that an attorney would want you to call me. That I didn't get past that when you said that.
But
that's very flattering.
But Tom, I want to make sure you've been fully Mirandized before you answer this question. All right, go ahead.
But as far as that goes, I don't know why an inspector would come out and tell you to get a new roof. I really don't understand. I mean, an insurance adjuster, excuse me, would come out and tell you need a new roof. That doesn't make any sense. It's not like they're going to pay for it.
Is it possible that he came up and there's some hail damage that may be up there for some time?
I would like to know if there was, but if there is, and he's going to write a claim for you to get a new roof and you don't have to pay anything,
get a new roof?
You might as well because, who knows. But if he just said you should get a new roof, but the insurance company's not going to have anything to do with it, then I would be very leery about why he would even be out there to do that. You follow me?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, and now any roofer you have come out is going to try to sell you a new roof. That's just the bottom line.
You think?
But I would get a third party. I don't know. I would call Ideal Roofing and do a roof maintenance on it. You should get at least another 10, 12 years out of this thing. It's just too premature after 20 years to get a new roof, unless there's obvious damage, and there's no way I can ask her that right now because this is a write-in question.
Well, I hear Jim from Ideal Roofing. I mean, there's nobody we trust for roofing more than Jim at Ideal, because not only does he do a good roof, but he's ethical as all get out. And nothing gets him angrier than people taking unscrupulous contractors taking advantage of people like you. And so he is always cautioning us to make sure not to sign anything.
Oh, no.
And certainly don't sign the insurance over to the roofer.
Now, remember, adjusters get a percentage of the claims they send out, and they have lots of friends that they deal with in the roofing restoration companies, this kind of thing. So I don't know the whole dynamics of it. Also, an attorney doesn't know anything about a roof either, because we got two questionable things. But I can tell you this: I thought I was in need of a new roof.
Yeah.
So I called Ideal out this last year and did a roof inspection and a maintenance on it, where they cleaned it, they caulked all the joints, they painted all the flashing, and they came down. They said, "Yeah, it's stained from the years, but you got another 10 years on this pretty easily. Just maintain it. When the time comes, it'll be time for replacement." Right. I was thinking I needed one, and it's been 22 years, and they said, "No, you still got a lot of life yet."
Well, Sandy, you're out in Hockley, and Jim loves time in the country. So
yes, he does, actually.
You may want to call him.
He's a mountain man.
He may like to come out there and just take a look at your roof. That might be a good way to go.
Not during barbecue rodeo.
Oh, gosh, no. No. Well,
give him an extra day.
This won't air till after rodeo, so we're good.
Yes.
All right, but seriously, go ahead and give Jim a call, and that'll help you out. And now, if you have a question about your house like that, whether it's the roof, the foundation, or anything in between, Tom can help you out. All you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the large Ask Tom button. Fill out that form, send it in, and we may use it in a video just like this one. Click our subscribe button and the bell,
Ding.
and we'll let you know when there's a new one.